Hello there and welcome back to the channel. In this video we are taking a look at using the DJI goggles with the new DJI Mavic Air. And as you could hear, it was windy as hell when I was recording this video and the audio is basically unusable. So I have had to overdub it. So I do apologise if some of the hand gestures don't line up with the audio. However, hopefully you guys will get the information and the message will get across. So let's get on with it. Both the DJI goggles and the DJI goggles Race Edition are compatible with the Mavic Air. However, because the Air doesn't use OcuSync, you actually have to use a USB cable. To do this, you simply connect from the goggles to the remote controller as follows. You take the included micro USB cable and plug it into the charging port which is located on the bottom of the headband. You simply take the micro USB connection and plug it into the port. On the remote side, you simply plug into the USB port that is located under the arms on the bottom of the remote. To do this, you simply take the USB connection and plug it into the port underneath. You may have noticed I still have my smartphone connected to the remote controller, even though I've connected the goggles. Now, it's worth noting that the Mavic Air can only support one device connected at a time. The first one you connect will take priority, so even though I have both my phone and the goggles connected, because the phone was first, that will take the priority, and the goggles will remain blank. Okay, so what I do when using my DJI goggles with the Mavic Air or other USB supported aircraft is connect my smart device to it first, then make sure the USB for the goggles is connected, but because my phone was connected first, that takes priority over the goggles. And then when I am ready to switch over in flight, I simply unplug the side cable from the side controller and the connection will transfer to the goggles and I am able to continue via them. The other advantage to doing it this way is you will not be hit by that 50 meter in height and 30 meter in distance restriction that can happen when you are using your aircraft without a smart device connected. Because it's connected at the start, it means that the restriction is lifted without you having to worry about it. Looking closer at the features, object avoidance still works with the goggles exactly the same as it does in the Go app. You have the same green, yellow and red bars, but this time they're at the top and the bottom, signifying for the front and the rear object avoidance sensors. You also still have access to all of the main camera settings, such as changing video resolution and frame rates, changing image modes and still formats, and you also have the ability to select the pano modes such as sphere and 180. Switching to manual camera mode is also available too. Looking at the flight modes, you can select tap fly and you also have the ability to enable head tracking. This means as you move your head up and down, you are able to pitch the camera up and down as well. Overall, the DJI goggles work very well with the Mavic Air, even though you're using a cable that really didn't change the experience for me. Looking at the features, currently you only have access to tap fly and head tracking only supports gimbal head tracking, which means the camera pitch up and down. Hopefully in the future we might get some more flight modes and the additional head tracking flight mode as well. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel and I will do another one again soon.